Hello everyone, in the previous video we had completed exercise 12.3 question number 1 to 8. In this video I am going to complete exercise 12.3, the remaining questions, that is question number 9 to question number 16. Let's start with question number 9. Question number 9 is AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region. One circle is given to you in which AB and CD are the two diameters perpendicular to each other. O is the center of the circle. Two chords are drawn, BC and AC, and this region is shaded, and with OD a circle is drawn and the whole circle is shaded here. Okay, what is given to you? That OD is the diameter of the smaller circle and OA is 7. If you look at the figure, in the figure OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. All are the radii of the bigger circle and each equal to 7 cm. Okay, but OD is the diameter of smaller circle. Therefore, radius of smaller circle is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Let us denote these radius by capital R. Okay. Now, area of shaded region. If you look at the figure, you will observe that how to get area of shaded region. See, first of all, you have to find out area of this circle, small circle. You will get area of shaded region, and then to get the segments, what you have to do, area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Okay, so the formula becomes area of a small circle plus area of bigger semicircle minus area of triangle. Put down the values. So this is pi r square. Area of small circle is pi r square. Let us denote the radius of small circle by smaller. Plus area of bigger semicircle is half pi capital R square minus area of triangle is half into base into height. Here you can use half into base into height because this triangle AB in ABC, OC is perpendicular to AB. So here base is AB, which is equal to 14 centimeter, 7 plus 7, and height is OC, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So put down the value. This comes out to be 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus half into 22 by 7 into what is capital R, 7 into 7 minus half into 14 into 7. Cancel this, you will get your answer. This is 38.5. 77 by 2 is 38.5. If you cancel here, you will get 77 minus 49. So this is equal to 38.5 plus 28. And this gives you 66.5 centimeter square. So in this way you have to calculate your answer. Move to question number 10. The area of equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi is given, √3 value is given to you. Figure is a triangle is given to you, and in this triangle with each vertex 3 circles are drawn touching each other. and you have to find out the area of shaded region. That means this region. The triangle is ABC. Okay, first write down the information given you. It is question number 10. What is given to you? That area of an equilateral triangle is equal to 17,320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex of the triangle, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Okay, so this radius, the radius of the circle is half the length of the side. So to get the radius, we have to find out the side. See, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. And this is 17320.5 centimeters square. The value of root 3 is given to you, 1.73205 upon 4 into a square is equal to 17,320.5. So a square is 17,320.5 into 4 upon 1.73205. This implies a square is equal to, shift your point, okay, so it comes out to be 5 upon into 10. Okay, remove the points, shift zeros. Cancel this 0. These two terms cancel each other. So it comes out to a square is equal to 40,000. So what is A? A is root of 40,000, which is equal to 200. A means side of the triangle is 200. And so what is the radius? Radius becomes half of 200. It is given in the question. Now since radius is half into side of the triangle, so R is equal to half into 200, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now you are having the radius of the circle also. Now you have to find out area of shaded region. See, this is the figure, 3 circles, and you have to find out the shaded region. So how to get shaded region? Area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. These are the sectors bounded by radii and the arc. And you know the angle is 60 degree because this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of an equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of equilateral triangle is already given to you in the question. It is 17,320.5 minus 3 sectors. So 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square. Put the value to get the answer. This is 3 into theta is 60 upon 360 into pi is given to you as 3.14. So put 3.14 and radius is 100 into 100. Cancel this. So it is equal to 17,320.5 minus, if you multiply these two, you will get 15700. Okay, and when you subtract these two, you get the answer as 1620.5 centimeters square. Move to question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, a square is given to you. In this square, 9 circular rings are drawn, touching each other. These are the 9 circular rings. You have to find out the area of remaining portion of the handkerchief, means after excluding these circles. Okay, what is given to you? The radius of each circle is given. Radius of each circle is equal to 7 centimeter. Now look here. The radius of this circle is 7 centimeter. What is the diameter become? 14. Similarly, the diameter of this circle is also 14. The diameter of the third circle is also 14. And it becomes the side of the square. Therefore, side of square is equal to 3 into 14, which is equal to 42 centimeter. Because there are 3 circles and 3 diameters combined to form the side of the square. The side of the square is 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus area of 9 circles. Area of 9 circles. This is equal to, what is the formula for area of a square? It is side square. Area of 9 circles, 9 into pi r square. Each circle are equal in size. So side is 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Cancel these to 7. The square of 42 comes out to be 1764 minus, and if you multiply these you will get it as 1386. Subtract these two to get the result. It comes out to be 378 centimeters square. Hope it's clear. Move to question number 12. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of quadrant OACB and the shaded region. You have to find out area of quadrant OACB, and secondly you have to find out the shaded region, area of shaded region. Okay, see the figure. This quadrant is given to you. What is quadrant? Quadrant is 1/4 of the circle. And a triangle is drawn inside the quadrant. This is the shaded region. It's given that the radius of the quadrant is 3.5. So OB is 3.5 centimeter. And OD is given to you as 2 centimeter. Okay. Let's start the question. First part. Area of quadrant OACB is equal to, either you write theta by 360 to pi r square by taking theta as 90, and since it is quadrant I can directly use 1 by 4 pi r square. So this is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, so when you solve this you will get the answer as 77 by 8 centimeter square. Second, now you have to find out area of shaded region. How to get area of shaded region? Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant is 77 by 8, just now you have calculated. And area of triangle is half into base is 3.5 into height is 2. Cancel these two. And when you solve this, this is 77 by 8 minus 35 by 10. When you calculate it, it comes out to be 7 by 2 if you do in fraction. And the answer is 49 by 8 centimeter square. Okay, you can find your answer in decimals also. Move to question number 13. A square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. A square is inscribed in the quadrant. One quadrant is given, and in this quadrant a square is inscribed. So this is the square. The name of the quadrant is given to you. It's OPBQ. And the name of the square is OABC. This is the shaded portion. You have to find out the area of the shaded portion. Pi is given to you as 3.14. What else is given? OA is given to you. This is 20 centimeter. Now in this question, radius is not given. Radius of the quadrant is not given. Radius of the quadrant is either OP or OQ. It is not given to us. What is given is, it's given that side of the square is given. Side of square is equal to 20 centimeter. Now look here. If I join OB, so OB also becomes the radius of the quadrant. Okay, so I have to join OB to find out the radius. If you join OB, then this OAB becomes the right angle triangle. Now in right triangle OAB by Pythagoras, OB square comes out to be OA square plus AB square. Now what is given to you? OABC is a square. So if OA is 20, AB is also 20. So this is 20 square plus 20 square. This comes out to be 400 plus 400. This is 800. So what is OB? OB is 20 root 2 centimeter. This is the radius of quadrant. Okay. There is one direct formula to find out the diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is calculated as root 2a, the direct formula. But if you don't know the formula, you can use Pythagoras to find out the diagonal. Now you get the radius, you get the side, you can easily find out area of shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. So this is equal to area of quadrant 1 by 4 into pi r square minus a square or side square. Put down the value. 1 by 4 into 22. Pi is given to you as 3.14. So use 3.14 into, what is the radius? Radius is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus side is 20 square. Now I have to solve this to get the answer. Okay, so this is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 into 20, root 2 into root 2 gives you 2 minus 400. Okay, so cancel this, 2 tens are. So this comes out to be 628 minus 400, which is 228 centimeter square. Move to question 14th. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm with center O. if angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. Very simple question. Two arcs are given. This is arc AB and this is arc CD. Okay, and it is also given that the radii, the bigger radius is 21 centimeter and the smaller radius is 7 centimeter. And angle AOB, this angle is 30 degree. You have to find out area of shaded region. This region you have to find out. Now, since this is the radius and this one is the arc, so the region bounded between arc and the radii is called the sector. And this is again the sector. So, to get area of shaded region, what you have to do? Area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. Okay. So, in question 14, capital R is 21 centimeter, small r is 7 centimeter and theta for both the sector is 30 degree. Now, area of shaded region is equal to area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. Put down the formula. This is theta by 360 into pi r square minus theta by 360 into pi small r square. Now, if you look at this, theta are same for both the sectors. So, I can take out common theta by 360 into pi within bracket r square minus r square. Let us calculate this to get the result. Theta is theta is 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 and this one is 21 square minus 7 square. Cancel this. 12, 2, 6, 2, 11. So this comes out to be 11 by 42. 21 square is 441 minus 49. So this is 11 by 42 into, when you subtract these two, you will get the answer as 392. Just solve these two to get the result. It comes out to be 1 centimeter square. Okay, in this way you have to solve this question. Move to question number 15. In figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. ABC is a quadrant. A quadrant is given to you. ABC of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. And if you consider BC as diameter, a semicircle is drawn. You have to find out area of shaded region, this region. Now look here. If this one is 14, this is also 14, radius of the quadrant. So first of all, I have to find out BC. Okay. Question number 15. Radius of quadrant is, let us assume this as small r is 14 centimeter. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle BAC, what you get BC? BC comes out to be 14 root 2 centimeter. Use Pythagoras theorem. BC square is A square plus B square. 14 square plus 14 square gives you 14 root 2 centimeter. Okay, if BC is 14, what is the radius of semicircle? This implies radius of semicircle is equal to half of BC, because BC acts as the diameter. So this is half into 14 root 2 it is 7 root 2 centimeter. Let us denote this by capital R. Now you are having a small r, which is the radius of the quadrant, and the capital R, which is the radius of the semicircle. You have to find out area of shaded region. How to get the area of shaded region? If you look at the question, see, just this triangle is unshaded, just remove this. Only this portion is left out. So area of semicircle minus area of segment. Okay, this region is called the segment, the region bounded between chord and the arc. So first of all, I have to find out area of the segment. Let us calculate area of segment. Okay, let me write down the information. Here small r is 14 centimeter and capital R is 7 root 2 centimeter. Let us calculate area of the segment now. So in figure, area of the segment, what is the formula? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, because I am considering this radius, minus area of triangle. You can consider half base into height, because theta is 90. Half into base into height. Put the value 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 minus half into 14 into 14. Half base into height. Okay. Now you have to solve this. Cancel 4, 7, 2. It comes out to be 154. And here it comes out to be 98. So 154 minus 98 gives you 56 centimeters square. This is area of the segment. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. Area of semicircle is half into pi capital R square, because now for this semicircle radius is capital R, minus area of segment is 56. Put the value, this is half into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 56. Okay, you can cancel this root 2 by these two, root 2 makes 2, cancel it by 2, 7, 7 cancel, this is 154 minus 56, that comes out to be 98 centimeters square. Okay, so in this question, first of all you have to find out the area of segment, and after calculating area of segment, just subtract this from the area of semicircle to get the area of shaded region. Move to the last question of the exercise, question number 16. Question number 16 is, calculate the area of the designed region in figure common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 cm. Radius of quadrant is given. Radius of quadrant, let us denote by r, is given to you as 8 cm. Okay. And the figure is two quadrants. Let this is one of the quadrant, and from here if you see, this is the other quadrant, and this is the designed region. You have to find out the area of this designed region. Radius is 8 cm. Now to solve this question, what you have to do, you have to divide this region into two equal parts. Now look here. If you divide this design into two equal parts, it makes two segments now. This is one segment and this is the other segment. But both segments are equal in area because you have divided the design into two equal parts. Let us find out the area of one segment, and if I multiply this by 2, I will get the area of design. So in figure, area of design is equal to 2 into area of a segment. This is what area of design. Okay. Put down the formula now. 2 into area of segment is what? Area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. This is 2 into area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height, because theta is 90 degree. It's a quadrant. So this is 2 into 90 by 360 into 22 by 7. Radius is 8 into 8 minus half into 8 into 8. Base is 8, height is 8. So calculate this to get the result. This is 2 into, cancel this, 1 by 4, 4 2s are. Okay, so when you solve, you will get it as 352 by 7 minus 32. So this is 2 into 128 by 7, which comes out to be 256 by 7 centimeter square. This is the answer. In this way we have completed chapter 12. Hope you people have understood the chapter. Just go through the videos, all the videos once again. Take care. All the best. Thank you.